Isebe lezemfundo laseGauteng lifunga ngelithi liza kubaphendulisa bonke abanegalelo ekutshoneni emfuleni kwamakhwenkwe amabini akwisikolo iDavidton Skills School saseBenoni. uSiphamandla Peterson oneminyaka eli-15 ubudala kunye noSibusiso Sibiya oneminyaka eli-17 ubudala batshone kumfula iHinops River eCenturion babhubha ngexesha lenkampi yesikolo kwiveki ephelileyo. Ethetha kwinkonzo yomngcwabo yaba bantwana ababini ebibanjelwe eThembisa namhlanje ekuseni, umphathiswa wesebe lezemfundo kwiphondo uMatume Chilwane uxolisile kwiintsapho zaba bantwana abangasekhoyo ngesi sehlo simbi esenzekeleyo esitsho esithi uza kuqinisekisa ukuba ubulungisa buyenzeka.
Babekwe endaweni yabo yokugcina abafundi ababili besikole iDavidton Skills School eThembisa okungoSibusiso Sibiya kanye noSiphamandla Peterson abehlelwa umshophi wokuminza beshone ngenkathi bephumene esikole beyake kuyinkambo yokufundiswa indlela yokuziphatha ngaseCenturion mhla zi-15 kwephezulu. Ngenkathi kuqhubeka inkonzo yomngcwabo yalabo bafundi, ungqongqoshe womnyango wezemfundo kusifundazwe iGoli uMatume Chilwane ukhalisaneke nemindeni eshonelwe wabeke esethembisa ukuthi laba abathintekayo kokuholele kulesi sigameko bazothathelwa izinyathelo ezinqala.
I want to truly apologize for what happened. Njenge-department siyaxolisa ngalokho okwenzekile. Into engakusho to imndeni, after this incident kuningi okwenzakele, because I need to report. Kukhona abantu ba held accountable. Into engeke ngisho amagama. Khona abantu esiba held accountable because siyazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. And everyone knows their responsibilities. So into esiyenzile futhi ngireport sesiyapointile ifirm ezosinceda to investigate what happened. They are not investigating because we don't know Tina from our side internally what happened, what should have been done, but we are bringing an independent view. Ngoba we know ukuthi sometimes abasebenzi bana ukuthi bavikelane ba-change iduru endleleni.
Abazali kanye nabangane balabo bafundi bebehluleka nokuzibamba njengoba begobhoza izinyembezi kubo bonke ngesikhathi kuqhubeka lenkonzo. Abanye babo babeke sebezwakalisa ubunzima ababhekene nabo ngokulahlekelwa ngabantwana babo.
We won't keep quiet and pretend as if there is nothing. We are not hurt. We are very much hurt. And we want to see action after this.
Ngibhlungu ngalabantwana. Labantwana bahambe bengafanele. Uyazi kufike omunye umama wakhuluma lapha ezokhala uthi hawu phephisani kusho ukuthi bese kufika isikhathi. Akazili kuzoxolisa ukuthi hawu ndeni nali iphutha elisivelele.
Sibuke impahla zakhe ifika nodaka kusinywa ngecathulo lapha. Idiscipline enjani leyenza ukuthi izingane zibe nodaka olungaka zigxotshwe kabuhlungu kangaka.
Sithi nje abafethu mabalale ngoxola. Sibusiso Siphamandla. Sobonana kwelizayo bafethu. Laleni ngoxola bafethu niphumule. Thina singabangani beni sosize sesogcina.
Abanye babaholi bezenkolo benxuseke umphakathi kanye nemindeni ehlelwe yilomshophi ukuthi ke bebeke phansi amaphaphu bengagcini ke sebezithathela umthetho ngezandla. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Myeni ngeseThembisa.